buy my Ford. Well, today we are taking my running, driving Ford F-250 to trade for exactly not that. I'm trading it for a Chevy! I'm getting rid of my last Ford, which there'll be more. But this Chevy is really cool because it is special, and to me, probably nobody else. And I'm excited to be able to show you guys. If you remember the Ford that I'm talking about, it's the F-250 that I picked up in Utah in a video, like maybe 10 videos ago. It's a pretty cool truck, and it seems like this guy is going to be happy to have it, and I'm excited for him, and I'm excited to get the Chevy back. Or not back, but the Chevy in general, because I just have the motivation for that truck so much more than I do this F-250. Anyway, let's get going. I'm excited. Look, there's a lake. Well, here it is, a 1968 Chevy C30. I'll get more into it when we actually pick it up and get it on the trailer and get going. It's a V8 and it's a 4-speed, so I'll tell you more about that in a few seconds. I just want you guys to like fully see how cool this little truck is. Look at it. Look at it. It's a baby dually. Yeah, every so often I'm stopping and checking these because as you can tell there's like barely enough on it because these tires are like way bigger than I thought they were gonna be. The rear tires are the ones that I'm hopefully not gonna have too hard of a time getting new ones of these. This is actually my first time trading a car for another car, and first time owning a dually and a flatbed. So I've got like everything I want in one. Honestly, my selling point was the mirrors and the cab lights, to be 100% honest with you. Just those two together is just so good. Traffic in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, this thing is like basically touching the ground in the rear. So it's making it. We're almost home. It's just it's scary. The truck is level though. Well, we made it home. The truck is safe on the back of the truck. I'm not gonna take it off the trailer tonight. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Does this work? No way! So it works. Done, and that is open this toolbox. I'm gonna stand to the side of it while I open it. I don't know what animals are in there, but we're gonna find out. This is how you lock it. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Maybe I need Oh, here you go. Garbage! We got seafoam. We got some drawers. Fuel. An oil pan. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Some kind of rods. Well, nothing exciting in here, unfortunately. But it is like filled with grease, which kind of sucks. The interior of this thing is pretty rough. The seat makes it rougher, but it's okay. It's literally the opposite of that one. It's the white version of that one, but pretty cool. I wish I had a 4-speed like this on that one. So the battery that's in here looks new. I unscrewed the coolant cap and it did sound like it was holding pressure. The coolant, I can see it. It's a little low, but it's not awful. I mean, this truck pretty much needs a whole engine rebuild in general. It just doesn't. It just smokes way too much for me to be like, yeah, that's fine. No, this is all linkages. Is it not? Either way, it's not connected, so the choke doesn't matter. Way too much tension. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna try to start it. What the kid had told me was the only way that he would get it to start was to pull out the choke and then as soon as it started to push it back in. So I'm not sure what they were thinking, but I'm going to be able to move this. So now that I have the car in a place that I actually kind of want it, and it's in the shade and the sun is finally going down, I really want to see what block this is because it doesn't look like a 350. But they're all pretty much the same, but I don't know. Well, this thing has a 327. So a 327 is just something that I haven't had before, and that is because I haven't been able to find one before. See, I don't even know if the lights work. Oh yes. 2 lit candles in the middle of nowhere. Oh, I'm jealous it has the fog lights working. Those fog lights do not work. I love old lights, so let's take a tour of what lights work and which ones don't. That's exciting. Amazing. Oh yes, perfect. We got off to a good start, and we're finishing with that. To put this video to a close, this truck is going to be pretty much a long-term project. I'm pretty excited about it because it has potential to be a very cool little welding rig slash hauler slash whatever. It's just something that you don't see every day, and that's kind of what made me fall in love with it completely. The first thing that I'm going to be doing, though, is rebuilding that engine. that's definitely something that I am not going to be driving around at all. That is awful. That's just awful. I doubt there's anything that I can even try to do that will make it smoke less, because it is smoking so much. But, I mean, I'm excited to see what this truck will become in the next few years. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check the description below for any discount codes that you want to use on your favorite brands. And I appreciate you guys. Bye.